How to fix payment method verification required in App Store. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can fix payment method verification required in App Store. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to purchase an application from your App Store, it says verification required. So if a message that says like billing problem with previous purchase or maybe verification required, if these messages appear, then you might be unable to make purchases, right? Or download free apps or even use subscriptions. So to fix the issue, all you have to do is just change the payment method. It's as simple as that. You can open up your App Store over here. Once you open the App Store, just tap the profile icon from the top right, and then here you will be able to see all these sorts of options. You can tap on add money to account, you can tap on purchase, and you should be able to add all those methods. Now other thing you can do is open up settings over here. Then once you open up settings, tap the Apple ID profile from the top, then just tap on payment and shipping over here, and then just make sure to go ahead and confirm there with your Face ID or something like that. Once you confirm with the Face ID or similarly like that, you should be able to add a new payment method on the list. That's it on how you can fix payment method verification required on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.